This is the war of the videos. Video war.
But
well, you have a lot of time to watch this, don't you? Yes, I think you do.
Filming ANSIS, filming Yolanda.
Filming ANSIS is filming Yolanda and filming you at the same time.
Mein Chef, ist Überseher von meinem Band.
Ich glaube, ich muss noch eine andere Batterie mitnehmen.
Good for if you buy so much. Yeah? She spent so much money.
It sort of just takes, do you know how the video goes here?
4.5%.
What I put in now, 4.5 times.
Or less.
Okay.
What was the total? 75 people selling our paper, and the goal was to get
Total is 140.57.
140.
Heute hier?
Und das ist da hinten, ist das direkt aufs Bus.
Oh, schön.
Hey, and did I tell you we're the best guide in Washington, D.C. We're Latvians, Lil White House. That's the offices of the president. And then right here is the White House itself, next to the White House.
Yeah, okay.
That was the White House. A little bit wouldn't be.
We will go
bad.
on top of this hotel here. Pennsylvania. This is the Treasury Department. Yes.
Okay, yeah, maybe closer if I walk. Okay.
All right.
We did. I
Take one with your camera.
Ja, das muss man
I
da.
have to take some film with your camera of you. Ben? Hey, she asked you to sit down over there. Yeah. On the other side. A thorn between two flowers. Or a flower between two thorns.
Das alte Paar.
Much too slow.
It's always hard to find the door open button when you're looking for it.
It's true.
And the new elevator.
Every elevator is different. Everyone
Down
is
in the middle
different.
at the bottom, these are at the top.
And worse yet, they have different names for the various levels. Lobby, mezzanine.
Du darfst nicht das zeigen, Schätzchen. Oh, schön.
Siehst du? Yolanda, know the quiche of the day?
Yeah.
Super? No?
No.
Show me the quiche of the day. Not me? No soup of the day or anything? Okay. I'll have a cheeseburger,
sun is Matahari. Mata is eye and Hari is the day, the eye of the day. Then glass is Kacha, and eye is Mata. Mata means eyeglasses. Choose a good camera?
No, I don't know. Metze.
Braut.
Oh, the Braut? Is that the bride?
Was ist das Zimmer für die Nacht?
Nichts schlecht. No, nichts so schlecht. 140, 50, 150 vielleicht. Wir können unten fragen.
Dollar. Die Nacht.
Yeah? Are you okay?
One room, one night.
One room, one night, 150, yeah?
The other two are international.
What?
International flights go in and out of Nashville.
Der beide mit deiner Kamera.
Ich glaube, du könntest hier.
Move on. Move. If you see it every day, so you cannot judge. But if you come long time later, it's grown. Same with children. You don't realize if you're with them every. Yeah,
Keep
look,
it,
look,
and I'll
look.
put you in the picture. Yes. And did I tell you about the time when I was president that where was that guy anyway? I forget where he saw him. This is the new crop. They are the ones that were little babies 2 months ago. So they're the ones who are born. Just stop filming me, filming you.
Yes, yes.
You have to stop me filming. No, you have to forget it. Yes. However, she did something she hadn't done before. She went into the kitchen, took out a fillet knife that you use for big steaks.
We heard it in
You heard? I didn't.
radio.
I didn't. I didn't.
Cut it off.
Yeah, through.
And
No,
they
then she left the house. And she must have still been carrying the med.
Nikki, look where the pencil.
just the sound.
Just the sound, okay, good.
I have to get a nice picture of your room. My
Windows
son
closed? You got it done. You did.
Not yet.
That I'm always bad at.
Hast du die Postkarte dabei? Also, die kannst du einwerfen, die du schon geschrieben hast.
Right up.
Hab ich doch schon.
Tien.
Okay.
Nature.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Did you go in back?
I'm very finished. Could I just get a new one? I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
How do we get up to 50, yeah?
With your
You can
credit
take
card.
either one, but you have
It's
to.
getting problem if you have $100 bill.
They think you've stolen it, or it's full.
That's why they like to be, how you say, draped up or dressed up or
I'm not getting
nice
into this.
design.
Well, go ahead, Lisa.